AECT Standard 1, Content Knowledge, asks us to demonstrate our ability to create, use, manage, assess, and evaluate technology-infused learning and tools, as well as consider the ethical implications of educational technology in schools. In EdTech 501, Introduction to Educational Technology, we created an EdTech definition graphic to show that we understood the field of educational technology. This is the EdTech definition graphic, which I created in order to show the core concepts of educational technology as a field. This example artifact from EdTech 501 demonstrates my ability to manage digital tools like YouTube and Prezi in order to create an engaging learning tool that can be used with student-centered learning. In EdTech 502, Internet for Educators, I got the opportunity to use skills that I had developed during the program, like HTML and CSS, in order to create learning tools and materials that were completely self-contained and based on student-centered pedagogy like constructivism. Many of these learning materials that I created allowed me to assess and evaluate learners in a way I hadn't previously been able to do. While developing these tools, I considered the ethical implications of using public domain photos, videos, and other resources in the creation of my materials, and I was able to impart that kind of learning onto my students by creating a scavenger hunt about public domain, as you can see here, that had them use a constructivist style learning to build their own understanding of what public domain is and their roles and responsibilities as a user of the internet. In EdTech 541, Integrating Technology into the Classroom Curriculum, I evaluated various math learning tools in order to determine which ones were most appropriate for middle school math learners in a student-centered environment. This demonstrates my ability to assess learning tools in terms of purpose and appropriateness in a classroom context. By addressing Standard 1, I was able to build a set of skills and understandings to apply to technology integration at my school. This eventually led to me becoming an important resource and leader at my school in terms of technology integration.